I don't know what is wrong with you.
So I can't just let the parang band go without dessert. I can't do that, Rico. I can't do that. Sergio back.
It wouldn't be sweet for that.
Yes, it came back.
Sergio back for dessert. Sergio back for dessert. So, thanks to the folks at Betty Crocker. Betty is here for us.
Wow.
And I have been making this brownie mix. And making some fantastic brownies. So if you see intimidated about making good brownies, this is so simple. Cup of water, a quarter cup of water rather, sorry, a third cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg with this brownie mix. You get perfect brownies every single time. I kid you not. Every single time. Perfect brownies with this. I made this and I want you to go home and try it. But outside of doing that, I have a little trick up my sleeve that I want to drop on you. But just before I drop that, I want to talk about not just La Mansion. I got that pronunciation correct?
That was on point.
Yeah, everything ruled on my
Sí, como eso, señor.
Yeah, mi amo, sí. The Spanish influence here in TNT is very important, and I think when you started the Music Mansion, I want to take me from the Music Mansion into what I'm now seeing as the emergence of La Mansion.
Right, well, La Mansion is the specialist parang group in the Music Mansion.
Right.
The Music Mansion, always the parent company. As I always say, imagine a mansion has many rooms.
Right.
So
This is the parang room.
So this is the parang
This is the parang
room. This
room.
is the parang room. And normally in the Music Mansion, I would do all types of events. As we say, design your entertainment.
Right.
So you can get soloists, you can get duets, you can get ensembles, you get a full brass band for your weddings, your birthdays, your so.
Yeah.
And it can be different people, with myself being the constant.
Yeah.
But with La Mansion, the parang room, it's one set of people. You don't really see me changing around so much.
Right.
Sometimes I'll do gigs with other people because parang, a lot of parang there is, it's one family, it's
One
one
people,
blood.
yeah.
But when it's La Mansion, you're going to see certain faces, like the ear of the Music Mansion.
Yeah, oh my
Yeah, well, I'm saying that for now, I'm calling it.
He gave him a big
Yeah, now,
responsibility.
let me tell you something. Just now, I want to tell you something. I have that on record. I have that. Yeah, I have that. So 10, 15, 20 years old, you will come and check me and say, hey, you remember, I am the heir. You're just,
Yes. Right? He is actually the youngest member of the band,
Of the
La
band,
Mansion.
yeah.
Right? Really loves the culture, really into the art form of
You
parang.
must be proud of him. I mean, based on the ability, the talent, the love and passion for the music.
I've been so proud of him ever since, and I can tell you that, when you get his story,
Yeah.
you would think that I pushed them into it, and
Yeah.
it was quite the opposite. They kind of pushed me into it. I guess that's why, because I never. It's not that I didn't take them on, but he has been really talented from young, and it sometimes it takes other people to tell you, hey, your son really so and so on, and then I would say to him in 2011 when his grandfather died, that was his closest person. And I was told by the principal, he's just moping around school, he said, get him into the music, he seems to be really good with that. So that's when we threw him into the school
music.
soca monarch,
Yeah.
and then he won it. And then after this,
Back to back. Guys, so as I told you,
Yes.
you're going to eat some brownies,
Right, we could eat it, I could
but
eat.
you have to work for your dessert. So allow me to introduce Zoe of Belleville.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Hi.
So I'm leaving you in the capable hands of Zoe.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and Zoe will kind of take over creating some of these wonderful Christmas tree brownies. Yeah, so you guys come here.
Alright, so we just have to eat, right?
No. Okay, so what I'm going to do is cut this and make little triangles, because what we're going to do is decorate these brownies to imitate a Christmas tree. That's why.
have to do a Christmas tree.
No.
Yes, sir.
but
You have to do a Christmas
Why?
tree because it's Christmas.
Is that not a Christmas?
Is that one of the Christmas things?
It's brownie Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Right? So what I'm going to do is make some triangles.
All right.
My nice clean cuts. A little advice is you want to have a paper towel and some hot water to
Right.
clean your knife. What we're doing right now is forming the Christmas trees.
Right.
Right? Right. And this is actually perfect for December because December is Christmas. And it's a nice little dessert to take to little parties or even have at your home.
Right.
All right, so we have some triangles here to start. What I'm going to do next is we have our vanilla frosting from Betty Crocker.
Right.
And I just tinted it with some Christmas color. You can use green, you can use red, or whatever you have available.
Okay.
And what we're going to do now is decorate it and make it look like a Christmas tree. So I'm going to do one.
Pay attention, gentlemen.
Yeah, well, okay. So we have to do that?
Pay attention, just pay
Yes.
attention.
So this is my triangle. And what I'm going to do is just basically decorate it by running little lines to imitate the decorations of a Christmas tree. So we have one here, and I'm going to prepare another one. So each of you have one to do.
Brings on this one. We can make a triangle. We start from this one. We come in so. So.
Oh my goodness.
Where's our ability?
I'm looking like your sister will be proud.
Right? Now we're going to put some up here just so we can start. Right? Then, hold on.
According to Ricardo Joe, I'm a professional.
Nah, I don't know about that.
Yeah? Watch
Well, the other
thing.
time I watch. Right, I don't want to put too much. Just enough. And sprinkles. That's fine. I should make our next one. Huh? Just a shimmer. Nah, ain't like that. They're looking good. They're looking good at all. Oh, they're looking good. They're looking good at all.
Alright. Hold on. Right.
Hey, where's that?
Alright.
No. Let me see if you're going to do that now. See, I'm missing all your ribbon. Watch.
Okay, so I'm kind of jealous there, boy.
So how did they do?
Jealous.
They did
How
well.
they did?
Who do better?
They did well.
They did well. They did well.
Try a
Yes.
thing there.
They did well. They did well.
I want. Let me.
You think so?
Yeah.
Mine will taste better.
Thanks, Betty.
So thank you very, very much
welcome.
for being a sport. Thank you very much.
Zoom.
Enrico,
Go on.
Sergio,
Yes.
thank you very much, guys.
Thank you
very
for
much.
having us.
It was a pleasure. It was a real pleasure
La
having you.
Mansion.
The La Mansion is in the building, and we cannot leave them and make them leave empty-handed. So, guys,
Oh, man.
on behalf of Betty Crocker and
Oh, Lord. Thank you, Lord, my
Merry
goodness.
Christmas.
Thank you
Very,
so
very, Merry
much.
Christmas. All right, we're leaving now, guys. We'll see you back here. Whatever you do, enjoy the holidays. Cup of Joe Christmas continues right down till the Christmas day.